this is a beautiful duo who have this amazing yodeling kind of country sound, but they're actually from Sweden. I actually did a reaction to them recently and it was just so beautiful. But this one is called Wolf, and that is because it is month of the wolf in celebration of my first ever original single, Power of the Wolf. I'd love it if you could check it out. But first, let's give First Aid Kit a listen. It's so distinct and so tribal, but with the I can't make it sound nice, it just sounds like a horrible crack. But with her, it's this beautiful texture, that yodel between chest voice and head voice that gives it that extra flavour, and the directness of her tone. You're going to hear some lovely harmonies, I'm sure, because there's normally some lovely harmonies in here. But that unison on the it's interesting because you could go for a harmony, but again, that makes it feel more together, more tribal again. And that's really from country. You're getting a lot of rhotic R's at the end, but not as strong as you would hear in country music. And that's what they grew up listening to. So it's interesting because the accent, the kind of country Southern American accent, is in this song, even though it's not their accent. A little bit. So lovely. When I run through the deep dark forest long after this begun, where the sun would set, the trees were dead, and the rivers were none, and all fortress to lead me back home from this place. But there was no sound, there was only me and my disgrace. Ah! So that section really reminds me of kulning, which is a call across the mountains that is used to herd cattle. That really strong with the nasality running through it, or at least twang running through it, and it cuts through across the mountains, and your cows will come running back to you. So it's kind of interesting, there's all these little influences in there. That sounds very typically Swedish to me. I love the kaleidoscope, it's so psychedelic. Their diction is so strong. There was only me. You can hear all those consonants really strong. So you're getting all the words. And again, that goes back to that real strong storytelling instinct of them. I think that they combine emotion, unusual tones. It's like the country combined with often that traditional style in Sweden, where it has quite a lot of nasality running through the tone that gives something very distinct, and it also shows that a lot of country music comes from Celtic and Nordic. It has a little bit of roots and elements that come through in that now, so it seems like such a natural fit. Movies. A talented pair of sisters. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please do like and subscribe, and please check out my very own wolf song, Power of the Wolf. All the links are down in the description. I hope you enjoy. Bye.